Today we had the brand labeling days of WinCC OA, the developer days, and the idea of the event is to bring our partners together to talk about the product and show them the innovation and the new features for the next upcoming versions. There are so many references in Munich. We have the metro, we have the autobahn, we have a lot of tunnels, and it's more or less an OA city. We have the honor to also meet two of the references live and see how the people are working with WinCC OA in their daily life.
The focus is to introduce the new version and to get feedback from our customers and to bring our customers and partners in contact with each other to exchange information about our product. Most interesting innovations for the new version is that we introduce new scripting languages, Node.js, to make it an even more better IT/OT platform for the new types of architectures for projects in this area.
This year, with the new version, we are invested a lot in new technologies like cloud and web.
I think it's a kind of continuous evolution of the system. It's the system for the large things, so being most performant, having always an update is important for these kind of users, for these kind of applications.
The WinCC OA community in the future can expect that we will heavily improve our product, innovate our product, bring new features.
And also invest more in the community, so people and partners can work better together to make a successful community and ecosystem around WinCC OA.
WinCC OA!